Daniel Ellsberg, the US military analyst whose change of heart on the Vietnam War led him to leak the classified Pentagon papers revealing US government deception about the war and setting off a major freedom of the press battle, died on Friday at the age of 92. As per reports, Ellsberg was diagnosed with inoperable pancreatic cancer and died at his home in Kensington, California. Ellsberg had revealed in March that he had inoperable pancreatic cancer and that he had been given 3 to 6 months to live. He said he had chosen not to undergo chemotherapy and had been assured of hospice care. On Friday, the family said Ellsberg was not in pain when he died. He spent his final months eating hot chocolate, croissants, cake, poppy seed bagels and lox, and enjoying several viewings of his all-time favorite movie, Butch Cassidy and Sundance Kid. The family statement added. Long before Edward Snowden and WikiLeaks were revealing government secrets in the name of transparency, Ellsberg let Americans know that their government was capable of misleading and even lying to them. In his later years, Ellsberg became an advocate for whistleblowers and leakers, and his Pentagon Papers leak was portrayed in the 2017 movie The Post. Ellsberg secretly went to the media in 1971 in hopes of expediting the end of the Vietnam War. It made him the target of a smear campaign by the Nixon White House. Henry Kissinger, who was then the president's national security advisor, referred to him as the most dangerous man in America who must be stopped at all costs. When he went to Saigon for the State Department in the mid-1960s, Ellsberg had an impressive resume. He had earned 3 degrees from Harvard, served in the Marine Corps, and worked at the Pentagon and the Rand Corporation, the influential policy research think tank. In 1973, Ellsberg was put on trial. Charges of espionage, conspiracy, and stealing government property, adding up to a possible 115-year sentence, were dismissed due to gross governmental misconduct, including a break-in at the office of Ellsberg's psychiatrist, part of the gathering scandal which led to Nixon's resignation in 1974. Ellsberg contributed to publications including The Guardian and published 4 books, among them an autobiography, Secrets, a memoir of Vietnam and the Pentagon Papers, and most recently, The Doomsday Machine, Confessions of a Nuclear War Planner. In recent years, he publicly supported Chelsea Manning, the US soldier who leaked records of the war in Iraq and Afghanistan to WikiLeaks, Julian Assange, who published Manning's leaks, and Edward Snowden, who leaked records concerning surveillance by the National Security Agency.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.